Good everyone, Children PH. So if here another build, so this is the 5-inch build, the offer light version. So we are using the Maps King motor, the Neon 2306, the 1900 kV, good for a 6S build. So we will gonna build this and we will try to fly outside, okay? So watch until then guys on how I build and what is the component of this drone. It's affordable only guys with the digital FPV. So you can watch and try this build guys. Very smooth and no jello at all. And it's powerful. So the RX antenna I put at the back, at the bottom, okay? So you can check it also and try. So this is the component of our build guys, the 5-inch quad. So we are using the Maps King motor, the 2306, the 1950 kV, good for 6S, okay? So I choose to pick the fluorescent pink and fluorescent green guys. It's two counter clockwise and clockwise the two. So we will build this in our Solo Good, the Apex Evo from AliExpress, okay? I bought this also, the FC from Messiah, the Argus 60 amperes ESC. This is a good stock also for about 60 euros. So you can get this. I will put all in the description below together with the frame. Supposed to be we will build this with the Oppo Pro guys, but they send me the wrong frame or the O3 version of the frame guys. So it's supposed to be Oppo so that we can install the Oppo Pro, but it's arrived now and I don't want to return. I just try the light and order the Oppo canopy and we'll try on the next. So we'll using also the Happy model, the EP1 receiver, temporary. We will install the dual diversity at the end, okay? So that's only. So we are using also the Hurricane, the gem fan propeller on this build, okay? So that's only the component guys. So of course we have here the Flybo wide lens also with the Oppo Pro, okay? So that's only. We will build this and we will try to fly outside. So let's go and start the build. Okay, so first of course we will assemble the frame, the Apex Evo from Solo Good. And next we are using the 60 amperes Messiah, the Argus 60 stock, good for 4 to 6S guys. And together with the capacitor, but I'm not using this capacitor guys because it's too big to build in these types of FPV. So I'm gonna using the 35 volts, the small one, okay? So let's install this and we will solder all, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's done installing the ESC and the battery connector. I did not yet put the capacitor guys because we need to change in the smaller one. So next we will install the motor from Maps King. So this is the 2306, the 1950 kV, okay? So we can choose if what color do you want guys. I will put all in the description below. So they have the two pieces counterclockwise and clockwise. Okay, so I will put the 2-1 here, the pink and the green one. So let's install guys and we will proceed to the next one or level. Let's go and install it. Okay, so it's done, and now we will proceed to cut those wires according to our needs, and we will fast forward it. Okay, so it's already done, and now we will ready to solder those wires to ESC. So we need to solder it one by one. Okay, so let's go and solder it, guys. Okay, so it's easy and simple. It's done. Soldering those motor wires on the ESC, and now we will install the flight controller, guys. So I love the color of this motor. So we'll install this in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's done installing the FC, and now we will proceed all, guys, at the end. Almost done. So we'll install all the ELRS, the GPS, and the OPPO air unit. Okay, so just put the ELRS on the R2 and the GPS on the R4. So I will put in the screen the diagram, and you can check also the description. Okay, so it's done installing, guys, all part. I will put all the diagram at the description, guys. Just open the Messiah 60 amperes ESC or stock. So it's done installing all. I put the capacitor, the 35 volts, and we have also the BEC, the speedy BEC to maintain the 5 volts on the upper air unit light. Okay, so that's only. So we have here the HGLRC, the GPS, and we have here the antenna of the receiver at the button. Okay, so all goods and good to go. And we will try to fly outside, guys. Watch until the end. And you will amaze with the performance of this quad. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so let's return it and let's fly outside. Okay, so all set and good to go, guys. In this flight, we will try first the Flywoo. And on my next flight, we will try to use the Oppo Pro, guys. I'm just waiting the 3D print canopy or 3D mount for Oppo to fit, okay? And we will try to fly at the next. So watch until then, guys, in the flight test of the Flywoo wide lens. So just install the BEC every time you build the 5-inch quad, okay, on the Flywoo upper light. Okay, so that's only, all goods. Let's go outside and let's fly. Okay, so this is it. It's a ultimate flight test with the Maps King motor, the 2306 with the 1950 kb 6S version. Okay, so let's gonna test if what is the power of this build, guys. So this is the Maps King. I will put all in the description below if you want to build this one. So let's go and let's fly. Let's go.
Very nice. So very smooth and stable. Oh wow. Love it. Very smooth, guys. Woohoo. Love, I love. Very nice. Good. I love how it's built. Very nice. A wire. A wiring here. I can go for long range. I have visual diversity. This is good build, guys. Super smooth. Wow. For 21%. Battery low. Okay, here we go.
It's low battery, guys. I did not see my battery. It's drain pass. I'm enjoying to fly the 5-inch quad. Very smooth, no jello at all, guys. I love this quad. I love how it's built with the Maps King motor. Maybe I will get the bigger battery for a long flight time. So that's it for the day. Till next time again for the Oppo Pro version. So I'm pretty amazed with this build, guys. Just build it. Super smooth with the fly wide lens. No jello at all. And pretty powerful. So that's only, guys. Till next time again. Just check the description of the details and build your own. And thanks me later, okay? So that's only. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
About to catch another fight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night.